program is. Good Enough is a program that has to talk about measuring with the security of our nation, especially as it has to do with the impact of traditional rulers in terms of security. I know if it was one program where they said the president was going to come here and share money, this space will not contain us. But because this is a thing of a very serious business, it will only need very serious-minded people like us that we are here. So I know you understand with the Build Nigerian is doing very greatly to see that this awareness and this campaign of the voluntary policing in communities is, here to stay and will continue to stay in Nigeria. So they are doing everything to partner with all, when I mean all, every voluntary security or private organization to keep this light shining as watchdog of the nation. If you join me very quickly and specially, I welcome to the podium for the keynote address of this very great event. Welcome address by the convener himself, no any other than Ambassador Dr. Muhammadu Bello Daha, who is the National Chairman, NPF, the National Coordinator, NPF, sorry.